Hi my friends, here is our new site that we're going to be trying to use. It's IXL.com. Here is where you're going to put your username and your password, and I'm going to go ahead and log on as Vera. And you should have gotten your password in your email, and you can click remember so it's easier next time. I will also add this site to our Devers webpage. Now, once you get in here, we have lots of areas that you can learn. There's math, language, science, social studies. We have our standards. There's lots of things. You have recommendations for which grade, but the important thing that I want you to look at is right here, 4 suggested skills by your teacher. So anytime you see this star, I need you to click here. And these are your assignments. These are the ones that we would like you to practice. Now, I'm not gonna do it for Vera. I'm just gonna click on one so you can see what it looks like. So you click on that, and then it's gonna ask you questions. There's a problem here where it says learn with an example, and then you can go back to practice. So you would answer it, hit submit, and then at the end, it will tell you that you're all done. And if it says if you're not feeling ready yet, you can come here and it's going to help you review it. So then it's going to give you a score, and then it will send it to Dr. Hasty and I so we know if you have this or if you don't have this. And these are just going to be quick check-ins. Now to get back to the main page, I believe we can either hit the back arrow, or you could probably go ahead and click home here or back to your welcome. Now to log off, if you want to log off, you just come down here and you hit sign out. You are allowed to explore on here in your math. If you click on math and you click on 4th grade, you can see all the different skills. So if there's a skill that you're like, oh my goodness, I really need help with that, you can practice on your own. And if you hover over it, it's going to show you what that problem is going to look like. So that one might be like if you still have trouble with subtracting and regrouping, you might want to practice some of these. But this is just to explore. If it has a star by it, so at the recommendations, these are the ones you have to do. Those are the ones that you have to do. So we'll be practicing with that tomorrow a little bit more. We're going to be using it to talk about our triangles and starting to use protractors. So these are just to review angles and triangles. So these you should have a pretty good understanding on. It's just practicing it a little bit more and getting used to using the IXL Math website. And then I'm going to log out of Vera, and then you'll get back to your sign-in screen.